Good morning, this is Jim at appointment 103-2732 with the Weidermans. What we're looking at is a 10-year-old single stage 80,000 BTU two-pipe system. You see the line dryer is on the inside. The ACs are up on the rooftop. Haven't gotten there yet. I've got a second video that shows access to the rooftop. The best access is going to be through the back alley. We have looks like what's the size of the filter on that? Is that a 20? 16 by 20. 16 by 20 by 1. We have a return that is 12 by 20. We have a case coil. And the case coil is a 3-ton case coil. You see the condensate line that does not need a condensate pump, goes directly into a floor drain. So the furnace nominal measurement 17 by 29 by 40. We have a case coil that is 17 by 21 by 21. And then you see the plenum going over the top. We already put in the tankless water heater. All right, we're going to